Hey guys, this is the sixth part of my Python Turtle Basic series, and this episode I'm going to be going over randoms and variables, and let's get started. So, the first thing that you want to do is import your, you do your import statements. So, I'll do import turtle and import random. If you need random in like a project that you're making, you have to always remember to import random, or it'll say in the error box, random is not defined. After that, let's find an example. Okay, so if I wanted my turtle to go somewhere, so I'll name my turtle Bob. Bob equals turtle dot turtle, and then after that, I'll do Bob dot go to. The way to write random is by writing random dot ran div, and then you have to put the range that you want your numbers to be. You could put like from 0 to 10. If I wanted it to be like from 0 to 360, if I wanted a turtle to turn a random number of degrees, I would do that. Okay. I believe too much stuff. Okay, Bob dot go to, and then I'll put random. Since you need both the x coordinate and the y coordinate, I'll just put the comma in before, and then I'll do random dot random, and then the range they want to be, which will be from negative 100 to 100. And after this comma, you want to put your second one, random dot random, and then the range. So I'll do negative 100 to 100 again. Negative 100 to 100. And then Bob will go to random place every time I run the code. It goes here, and then I run it again somewhere else, like up there. Yep. Yeah. Same place before. And it's completely random as long as you just make it so it's just random. Like if you use these, it'll pick a random number in between these two numbers. I think it's also inclusive, but I'm not sure. The next thing is a variable. A variable is a thing that, well, a variable is a number, I guess, or you could use it for something else, but usually variables are used for numbers. So let's assign this variable a random number. Let's name this variable farm equals random dot random, and then let's do 0 to 5, and then we'll make Bob write this what is it, this number. And so the command to make a turtle write something is the name of the turtle, which in this case is Bob, and then dot write, and then you can put the thing that you want to write in quotation marks. So I'll put farm, and then it'll say the value, but the way you can't really write a number in here, or at least you're not able to in this Python, I guess. So you have to do plus, and then outside of the quotation marks, you want to put str. So this is what we call a string. Like inside these quotation marks, it's a string, so letters. It's not a value. So technically, it's not able to write a value. So you have to make it into a string, which is letters. So str, and then we have to write farm inside. Farm. So it will turn this into a string, the value of farm will be turned into a string, which is letters, since you can't really write a value in Python. So you need to write str and then farm, or whatever you want to be in here. Like, if you want it to be 3, you can't write the value. You can't write the value of a variable or a number. So you have to write str and then 3, so it'll write out the value of the variable or number in number form. So let's put farm in here, and it'll just write whatever it turns out to be. Run the code and it'll write farm, and then there's, after the colon, it'll do farm again, 5 this time, and then 1, and then I think, yeah, it's 3 this time. And you can also replace some, so if we made this 0 to 100, and then we did bob.forward farm, and then it will replace the number that you would put in here if you wanted to move a specific amount with whatever farm turned out to be when you run the code. You can even make a loop that reassigns the value of the variable. So if you wanted it, if you wanted a turtle to move at varying speeds and completely random, you would do for I in range, and then you would write, let's write while true. That'll make it easier for me. While true, and then I'll write it. So every time the loop runs, it will reassign the value to farm. So if I do random, let's do 0 to 2, and then bob.forward farm. If I do that, it's supposed to go at varying speeds. Let's do sometimes it gets fast and sometimes it gets slower. And so yeah, that's not a part of these. Let's do some more. So if I want my able to turn a random number of degrees, I could also do that by replacing the amount of degrees with my variables. So farm equals random 0 to 360. So it can move anywhere from 0 to 360 degrees. And if I put it inside my bob command, it will turn any amount between 0 and 360 degrees. So farm, it'll turn a number of degrees. See, it turned about 350 degrees, and yeah, there. It's getting really similar. It's completely random. So yeah, if we maybe put bob.forward after this, you might be able to see how much different it is. So bob.forward. Now the amount of degrees it turns. I'll put my mouse on the turtle, and I'll try to run the code again. It's about there. Yeah, it kind of different this time. And so, yeah, that's it for the video, I guess. And thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.